Hello and welcome to this live. How are you all doing? Hello and welcome to this live. So, sorry we are a couple of minutes late. It's been a busy morning here for us. Now, we're really excited to be bringing you some fabulous new colors of the Neve monogram fabric. You can see I'm wearing the signature color as it is. This is the signature color of this Neve monogram. But what we do have, of course, this is available and you can go for the entire look. The reason this particular color is the signature monogram look is because it's one of also the most versatile colors. It's of course this very beautiful mix of metallicness, that's it, you know, and yes, all of these are very special. This looks incredible with a green and a red and a pink all in contrast, and it's a very classic look in itself. So that's about this color. This is available. This fabric is 5,800 per meter. Now my look is same on same, and you can go for it. कुछ colors जो हैं वो तो एकदम fresh आए हैं, and I'm going to be showing you. So that's the color that I'm wearing, and you can place your order for it. So that's available. Now ऐसे कहें तो कोई भी दुपट्टा इस पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है with any of these colors that I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to show you some incredible colors. Stay tuned. I'm just waiting for some of you to join in since we're 2-3 minutes late. But this is our 18,800 classic दुपट्टा in Georgette, in Karwa, in Sona Rupa, and ये हमेशा ही सुंदर लगता है. So if you are looking for completing this look in itself, then this is your perfect match and complete same on same look with it. If you want a plain bottom with it, then there will always be, it can be dyed, but there will always be them that shade different slightly because this is yarn dyed, this whole metallic look that you can see in it. So that may be there. But we can dye this particular dupatta in any of the colors that I'm going to be now showing to you. And I'm most excited about all of these colors. You know, they're all just, they're burning beautiful looks, and that's the first one. So yes, what you are now seeing from our side are the new colors in the Neve monogram coming out. I'm just going to now put this dupatta aside because of course I've got some work to do. I've shown you the look. I'll come back to it again later, but for now I'm keeping that aside. Let's get started. Let's show you the fabulous new colors and the collection that we have this one. Of course, the shape that you're seeing is a monogram. It's the complete, definition of what we do. We've created some beautiful reels, animation on it. The whole inspiration behind it is the leaf, the pan leaf. Very, very integral part of the lives of everybody in Banaras. Anyway, so that's the thought behind it. It's an incredibly beautiful, hot color. I would strongly say that you wear it same on same. Kuch fabrics come hai usme to we will have to do a plain bottom, but this one at the moment is available 5,800 per meter, and along with it we have done the same Georgette dupatta that I was wearing, but we do have two motive option in it, and we've done the other one for it. In fact, this is also a look I was wearing in my last live. Many of you have had this dupatta. It's absolutely fabulous. Just look at the incredible silk. It's mind-blowing. This was a launch, I think, last year sometime. Some more looks to that is this one. Now, this is the most beautiful shade of green. We can do a similar dupatta. What you also always, when you get this piece, what's amazing about it is also that we have our name written on it, on the entire set of it. You can see the entire piece and the look right here. So this is the second color in it. And this is the 5,800 per meter. The match remains the same. You can go for a kurta like this. If that's what you're going to go for, you will definitely need 3 meters. And like this one, I'm not sure that it's enough for a complete same on same. Let's see how many meters it is. This is 3.85. So yeah, for this, if you're going to go, then you can do a gold bottom. That's one option. The other thing is that you do a green bottom, of course, in chinia silk or katan silk. But just look at the beauty of this piece. And of course, remember that ye jo colors hai, hum inko, of course, apart from this color that we have, this you can definitely get 5-6 meters, whatever you need. But these colors, we make it only 10 and 11 meters, and if they have gone, then they are sold out. So, that's the whole match behind it. The next one is this very lovely red color in it. So now you can see पूरे जो palette है हमने change कर दिया है. So if you have it, then you still have a reason to buy more because this is a brand new palette. The hot pink, the beautiful green, the red. Look at how amazing. You know, just that sound of silk. It's absolutely mesmerizing, I would say. You know, so this is your, and this I think we have enough or not. So this is also less. And we'll still have, I think, enough for a kurta probably, like 1 or 2 kurtas. So you have to check. Now, but of course, it's all on first come first basis. If you like this color, then you should go for it. Okay, this we have. This is 8 meters, so you can go for a same on same. That's the really good thing. Look at that. That's a beautiful one. Now with this one, so far I've shown you both the dupattas in the 18,800 range, but iske saath I have done this one, which is, this is I think, this is the 28,800 dupatta, and you can see this is one of our newer motifs that we have introduced a few months back. You can see the sona, the rupa, the entire embroidery, all of it right there. Now I'm going to show you this color. There you go. So it's incredible, this combination. अगर आप चाहें तो हम 18,800 वाला भी दुपट्टा इसमें कर सकते हैं, but I think it looks perfect. On that note, of course, this dupatta, and you want to see it, I'm just going to kind of show it to you with mine. Now this red color looks incredible with our Neve Classic. So if red on red is not your thing, then I would say, but you know, you must wear all of these colors. Like, do not restrict it in your mind, saying you know red is too much for me. There are many different ways of wearing the same color, but you know, and that's why we are here to help you out with that, give you ideas on that. So the moment you wear with a combination like this, it's subtle, the base, but the dupatta really stands out. So you like wearing statement red dupattas, this is a great way if you do not prefer the red on red, but uska apna charm hai. So you know, I just leave it up to you that you know what is it that you're going to pick up. Now the next two colors, and these are the last ones. So the first one is the one that I'm wearing. The second is the pink, the green, the red, and now this one is this gunpowder gray. And yes, and you know, this is you know, I think just being created, all of these, to give you this solid base. You can do contrast with any one of these. You can go same on same, but it's a great base, very versatile, very chic on its own. You know, really beautiful when it looks like you're wearing it top and bottom, with dupatta, without dupatta, both, you know, and comfort. And now I have, of course, stitched my kurta without lining, my bottom with lining. I like the effect of it, and I also wear it pretty loose actually. So if you like it fitted, then I'm going to say use lining. Even if you wear it loose, I would say you should have lining. You know, usually at the seams and at the sides, it kind of, you know, pure fabrics, they may kind of, you know, but it's a very good, very strong fabric. So ये बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ है. You know, it's not like say a tissue that you know you have to be really careful about it. It's very easy. Now this is, I think this is 4.7, and these are, so याद रखिए जो मैंने आपको कलर्स दिखाया है और जो मेरे हाथ में है वो उतने ही हैं. So I don't have it more, so you know I won't be able to make the same color again, except for a signature one which we have, which you keep getting. But these are like, so if you have the signature, then you go for these colors, or you say, yeah, I love this, maybe signature I can buy later, that's also possible. So look at that, that's a beautiful one. This is the blue shade, so blue, gray, green, pink, red, and this. अभी बहुत सारा ये आता है कि what is this color? It's very difficult to describe it. It's a metallic color. It's got a tone of pink. It's got a tone of brown, cream, gold, all of it together. Okay. So next up, I have some really lovely dupattas. Jo, you know, I think everyone's looking for dupatta, which you can just generally wear. It's a whole mixed range that I have here, which I'm going to be showing you. I also have complete suit sets, Katan silk in the 38,800 range, full 3-piece Katan sets, which is going to come also after this. So beach mein maybe I'll get it, but yeah, you can see now that's the first dupatta that we have, Katan silk, 24,800, and look how pretty it is. You know, just wear it with gold, wear it with pink, wear it with green. There are so many ways of wearing this. It's one incredible gold dupatta. ultra lightweight, and the great thing is this is ready to ship now. So take a screenshot very quickly and come on WhatsApp and place your order. Now this one is the Georgette one, and this is so beautiful. Look at that. The whole zari really standing out. There is that Meena, all of it, so much more. Now this dupatta 32,800. Look at that. Look at the flow. You know, that's the thing with Georgette. You just have to put it on yourself and it starts to pleat itself. Almost magical. Of course, you know, that's only with the very best of this Georgette fabric which we use where all of that is possible. So this is one lovely, it's a shade of purple, and you know, it's like a jamun color, but you know us, we never get into the exact shade. All of it is in natural light, so jo aap dekh rahe hain wahi hai, but yeah, because you know your jamun and my jamun may be different. Anyways, so you get the idea. Now this one is our, okay, so this is what we are launching for the first time. You have seen this dupatta, the 26,800 Sona Rupa Karwa. Look at that, all of it. You've seen this dupatta in Georgette a lot. We do that. और अब हमने इसको बनाया है linen में. And this is, you know, my most favorite dhani color. I call it the dhani green. You know, it's that fresh crop color. It's so green, it's so fresh that, you know, yellow sunlight falling on it. That's this color. So it's a very beautiful linen dupatta. And again, I'm going to say it. If you're wearing something as versatile as this, aap linen pehne, Georgette pehne, katan pehne, they're all going to look nice. You can also do our linen buta, the 4,800 one, in the same color dyed, or you can just go for this, wear it with a white incredible kurta. As it is amazing. So this is a new launch, and that's what we're showing you. Quickly coming back to the Georgette dupattas, and I do have, oh, look at that. How fresh is that? Then Meenakari, the Georgette, and it has a Sona, it has a Rupa. Every day I get this question asked. I'm going to say it again. Sona is gold, Rupa is silver. That's the name for the metallic zari that we use in our pieces. I mean, anybody calls it the same terminology. I mean, of course, we and our viewers. So you can see that. That's one beautiful look. 32,800 again. Now coming on to this one. This is a 38,800, and this is a pretty piece, a peach color, and you can see that you know, is just very nice. Now this one, okay. Abhi tak jitne bhi the, I think they had no figures in it. There was no birds, nothing. This one has, so if I'm going to show it to you in detail, it has that figure in it. This is 38,800, and there you go. It's such a pleasant peach color that you're going to be wearing any day. Pura flow hai, feel hai, look hai, and of course ready to be shipped out. Is wale ke baad I'm going to jump into the 38,800 full katan silk suits. That's what I'm going to jump in. This is one yellow color. You can see the entire color palette. So we have done the darker colors if that's what you like. We also have this, and look at that. Now essentially this is a day color. You're going to be wearing it with the same color, lighter contrast in green, maybe a pink, and of course with whites and golds. So ye jo hai, this is you know, yes, so yes, that's the whole idea ki wo peach color, it also looks very good with this. So that's the idea. Thank you so much. And ye jo hai, now aap dekh sakte, this is a yellow. Go for any of these classic fabrics, knee monogram mein, but agar aapko ek pura color coordinated look chahiye, then you can also do the chinia silk buta with it. It will look very nice, plain bottom chinia silk, and you can go for it. I do have some bandi dupattas, but I'm going to come to it later. And let's start with some suit sets, silk suit set, full katan silk suit set, and 38,800. That's going to be the range of these pieces. And you know what's amazing about it is the colors, the Meena work, all of it together for you. Now let's see, let's show you this. That's the first color. You can see the Meena, you can see the work on it, the tassels done, very pretty. And you know, let me just show it to you. These are the 38,800, the kurta 2.5, the dupatta 2.5 plus, and the bottom, that's also there. Now here you go, that's the full look, 38,800. And let me remind you that this last 2 days of this month, we have free international shipping above 20,000. right? But I also have an extension. We're going to extend it to next month as well. So September will also see you 20,000 and above, free international shipping all over the world, wherever DHL works. Of course, few countries are restricted, but everywhere else, USA, Canada, Australia, UK, 20,000 and above, free shipping. I think बहुत लोगों ने have made use of this offer that we had, and so much so that we're going to extend it to the month of September as well. So remember that. And yes, this is also the two-tone color bottom, which has a border. बहुत सुंदर look है. And now let's go and quickly show you the colors in this. I don't want to do a very big live. Remember, ये last live है इस week का. So we are done with all that we've had to show you. It's been an interesting week. So we're done. I love this lemon color. Day wedding. Okay, if you're in for a day wedding, this is your look, guys. This is your look. This is your bottom. What pretty border to it. The kurta, everything perfect looks. And I have the most beautiful colors in it, which I'm going to show you now. I love this. This is like a really nice blue. अब कोई इसको aqua blue बोलते हैं, कोई इसको water blue बोलते हैं. So it is exactly this blue as you see. Just look at that. Here it is, and very pretty. 38,800. I think it's a steal for a full katan. मतलब इसमें कतानी जो fabric है, that itself is 7.5 meter plus. So our plain katan sells at 4,200 per meter. So you know the deal. It's absolutely amazing. Oh, this is a really lovely one. It's a mint green color. All of these, and they're ready to ship out today. So if you've been looking at it, these are ready to ship out. Pure katan silk, 3-piece complete suit, more 2 colors available, and we're going to be showing you. Take a screenshot, come on WhatsApp, place your order. So that's the best way to get the best of our pieces. Of course, website here, and you can place your order. And many times, many of you come that of course, I placed the order on website. That was the piece I'm looking for. So sure, great. That's always a brilliant idea to go for that. But there you go. That's the second last color, the gray shade, and this is the bottom. So you're going. Okay, that's the bottom. So that's the 3-piece look. Find your favorite color. We're going to close. First I'm going to show you 2 fabrics that I love. जो लास्ट में हम आपको दिखाएंगे, एक स्टेटमेंट सूट दिखाएंगे, दैट विल बी एट द वेरी लास्ट. बट दैट्स द कुर्ता एंड द बॉटम. मेक श्योर दैट यू यूज द बॉर्डर्स, क्रिएटेड सम डिफरेंट लुक्स, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू दैट. हियर इट इज, दिस वन especially nice. So I'm going to go now. I'll tell you what is remaining. We're going to do 2 fabrics, then we're going to go to some bandhi dupattas, and then I'm going to do 1 masterpiece in a suit. That's all that there is for today. It's the last live, and we're really going very happy to be showing all of this. Of course, इसी week में हमने tussar भी किया है. We have shown you some incredible bandhi dupattas, so all of that. And yesterday we put up the new colors for the premium cotton, so that was also there. Now look at that. This is 2 fabrics I have. These are the 2 ones, and I think they are amazing. So look at that. Let's show them to you. So there you go. Now this one, if you're looking for something cool and incredibly, a little modern, of course, weave hamesha Banarasi hai. Look at that. You can see the detail, how pretty this is. So my 2 looks that I will say, I'm going to say a same on same, and don't worry about wearing stripe bottom up and down. It looks very nice. Stripe it, it does look very nice, the stripe, because when you're doing that, then you don't need a dupatta, you don't need anything, because वो खुद में ही एक पूरा look है. You're going to stand out in the room in a very good way. That's my guarantee. Now, if you do not want that, then you can wear this fabric and you can opt for a plain silk bottom, and that bottom can be in the shade of green, it can be in yellow, it can be in this red, whatever, the orangish red color. So you can do that. They're great for jackets. Plain silk suit, long jacket with this. That's also a third look that I have. So incredibly pretty, 6,800 per meter. These are the Meenakari pure silk fabrics. that are going to be such a great statement to be wearing. Now look at that, here it is, really pretty. Love the yellow shade in it. I think all in all it's a great one. How are you going to place an order? Take a screenshot, come on WhatsApp, place your order. We ship worldwide, and India mein बहुत importantly there is COD. Our CODs of course come with a token amount, so that's one thing, that they come with a token amount, but that's just just a policy matter. But बाकी आप एक थोड़ा सा token दें, बाकी सब आप COD पे pay करें to the courier person. You then don't have to pay to us. You have to pay to the courier person. The company will then pay us. So that's the system. कई बार वो बात होती है कि आप निकाल दें, जब मेरे हाथ में आएगा तो I will do a bank transfer to you. So at that point, if we have shipped a parcel on COD, it will be on COD status. We can't change it. So yeah, that's something to remember. Coming to some bandhni dupattas, and we will kind of show these to you. Look at that. Here it is, grand bandhni dupattas. This one is a gachola. It has meena, it has bandhni. Now this one is a single bandhni color. It's incredibly beautiful, full width, length, the most amazing fabrics, the best quality of zari, the best quality of meena, all of this. So this is a really long dupatta, in fact. So anybody who's looking for long dupattas, I think this is 2.7. So you can go for that. You can tuck it in. This is Georgette. This is Georgette. You can go for lehengas with it, or you can of course wear suits. I know many of you are particular about the lengths, especially of your dupatta. My small request is, when you come to us, the first information that we give you is the price. If you ask us the fabric, we let you know the fabric, the work on it, that's also there. Now the length and the width, if you ask us, we'll tell you, because we get so many queries on it that sometimes for us it's not possible to tell each on our own. You ask us, we will never say no to you. We'll give you a picture, we'll give you a video, we'll give you the length, the width, everything that there is to know. Oh, look at that. It's absolutely traditional in terms of its color, but it's a very new design that we have. So if you enjoy solid colors, no meena, 2 colors bandhni, then this is the one for you. So it has white, it has and that's how it looks, so very unique. This incredible fill, very fine placement of bandhni at the border. This one is for you. And some next one. Now this is a very unusual color that I have for you, and this is, I think, right now at this moment the only white dupatta that we have in bandhni. And इसमें एक और चीज है जो इसके पूरा मीना है. That's all pastel, the peach, the pink, the mint green, the bandhni which is red, and the contrast and look at the whole tassel. It's perfect. Again, a good length dupatta, whether you're tall, it will work for you. And yeah, just generally overall very pretty. Will be very nice with suits of any of these 3 colors. You can pick up any that you like. इसी में the next one that we have is the single color. So that's the single color piece that we have, and इसमें 2 tone, peach and pink, and this whitish color. इसका मीना है. I'm going to show it to you very closely. And the bandhni is there. It's a very pretty piece. No figures. I think in all of these pieces that we have shown you so far, there's no figure on them. The next 2, these are with figures, and let's show that to you. This is a blue. Again, you'll see the checkered style. You'll see 2 colors bandhni, and so this is the piece for you. Now look at that. Again, I'm going to just wear it like this, show it to you like this, and this is our bandhni dupatta with figures. And let's see. I'll just tell you the length. The length of this one is 2.62. The price is 44,800 for this dupatta. So yes, it's 44,800. And I have one more color in it. It's a color that looks very pretty with the fabric that I'm wearing. It is this deep burgundy color. And look at that. So 2 colors in these dupattas, both 44,800. Tassels done, ready to be shipped out. Lot of gold, some figures. I'll just bring it close and show it to you right there. और ये आज ही शिप हो सकते हैं. I know we're in September, almost like 2 days away, and many of you have weddings in October and November. मेरा ये कहना है कि अगर अभी तक आपने अपने fabrics and looks नहीं sort किए, then yeah, we're gonna be late. We're gonna be late, and it's gonna be too tight, too much stress at the end. Now is the time to find your pieces and send it for stitching. Make sure you have a style guide. It makes your job of imagining what they will look like very easy. Of course, एक look को आप किसी और fabric में कर सकते हैं. Not every fabric is styled in that, but many are. So that's a great resource to have. Generally, it's free. There's no charges. Ask us on WhatsApp. We'll send it to you, irrespective if you're buying it from us or not. So that's a good thing. The last set in the same range that I was showing you earlier, 38,800. And let's show these beautiful pieces again. Now these ones are single colors. They are all in karwa. And single color, matlab meena nahi hai. Unme meena hai. So if you like meena, this is the sleeve fabric. Then you should go for that. This is the bottom. Now look at that full complete look in Katan, and I have some colors for you. There's a beautiful golden color, and that's the sleeve fabric. I'm going to just keep it aside. इसको मैं अलग रख देती हूँ. And that is your bottom that you're looking for. Very, very nice. And let's show you this. Here it is. I'm just bringing this to you. So there you go. That's your golden look. Incredible work. Incredible. The bottom is there with the border. 38,800. Find your perfect color in it. Don't wait too long. This is the really ravishing green and blue. Okay, so these are all the 38,800. That's the bottom and the sleeves together. So there you go. Some lovely colors. The very last piece is from the collection of our premium silk Meenakari suits, which I think all of you have been loving. The floral, the Meena, that's what makes it so very special. And just look at it. This color combination, all of it is so perfect. Now these, honestly, you wear it in the evening, you wear it in, morning, early morning. Many of you have day weddings, many of you have early evenings, the 4 o'clock, the sundowners. They are perfect for all of those looks. This particular suit is 54,800. It comes with a plain silk bottom. That's the dupatta. It's such a fresh color. So yes, I think it would look really good, from morning till your sundowners. Not a very night color particularly, because iski jo beauty hai wo natural light mein, it will really come out. That's the kurta. The work is all over, so you don't have to worry about that. It's all over the front and the back. There is this border here which you're going to be using, and this is your dupatta. One quick glimpse of it. A beautiful suit for this season of celebration. So there you go. We've done all our pieces that we had in mind, and so that was the last live. It's Friday today, and happy shopping. Come visit our studio. We are open today and tomorrow. We are always here till 6, 7, so you can drop in a word or you can just walk in. Very happy to be seeing many of you. Our phone numbers and our WhatsApp number, they're the same. और हर पोस्ट पे नीचे लिखा है, टुडे आई थिंक वी हैव नॉट पिन इट आउट, बट हर दिन लिखा हुआ है हर पोस्ट पे. आप कहीं भी कोई भी फोटो खोलेंगे, नीचे हमारा नंबर आएगा. और उससे भी इजी है कि अगर आप हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे जाएंगे तो वहाँ एक लिंक आता है व्हाट्सएप का लिखा हुआ. क्लिक करें उसको और डायरेक्ट यू विल रीच अ व्हाट्सएप अकाउंट जहां आपको ऑर्डर प्लेस करना है. So I will see you all. Thank you. Have a great weekend ahead. And yes, what a fabulous month this has been. It's been full of activity and buzz. All thanks to you. See you guys. Have a great